Hey YouTube, this Deb. I am just coming in and sharing with y'all my Rolling Stone Prince magazine. Now I ordered this way in March of last year, maybe March or April of last year, and I never did receive it. And I got on one of the Prince fan sites on Facebook, and one of the guys, he gave me one of his. He had a whole lot of them, and he gave me one. And this one is the one that he gave me. This one was the one I ordered from Germany, and I never did get that one until December. And it came with the 45, but it wasn't attached to the magazine. It was on the inside of the magazine, which is fine. This is the back of the 45. And it is the it says size A, sign of the time, and then side B, witness to the prosecution. And here is the 45 right here. And I just wanted to show that I finally received my original one from Germany. And it's that one right there. Okay, you guys. Thank you for watching my video, and you all have a blessed weekend.